We'll make some cowboy beans. You can make this recipe on the stove if you want to and cook your beans for about 4 hours, but I'm going to do it in the crock pot. Okay, and you're going to need dry pinto beans, 1 pound. You're going to need 8 cups of water or 8 cups of beef broth, either one. 1 medium onion, 1 green pepper, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of dry mustard, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 10-ounce can of dry Rotel tomatoes with green chilies. Okay, we got our 1 pound of beans right here, and we already washed them 10 times to get all the dirt off of them. We let them soak for 2 minutes, and here we go. Okay, we're going to get our water now, and we're going to put our beef broth in it instead of just plain water. Okay, let's get our water started. We got boiling hot water. Two. 4. 5. Okay, now let me boil some more. We'll be right back. Boil some more. Okay, meanwhile, we're going to move on to our 1 medium onion. Already washed up and cut up. Okay, here's our green peppers cut up, washed, and diced already. Okay, here's our 1 10-ounce thing of diced tomatoes with green chilies, or Rotel, either one. Same thing. This is just a cheaper brand. Let's move on. We got our chili powder. We need 1 tablespoon. These are called cowboy beans. Okay, we got our minced garlic right here. Okay, where ours is already cut up and diced, we're going to put 2 teaspoons. You need 1/2 teaspoon of dry mustard. If you ain't got dry mustard, use yellow mustard. Okay, you're going to need a half teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, now we're going to add our beef broth. And we're just going to do half and half instead of the eight cups of beef broth. We're going to use 4 cups of hot water and then 4 cups of beef broth. But to make my beef broth, I got this beef bouillon powder, and I'm going to use 4 teaspoons. So it'd be half water and half broth. Okay, there's our 4 teaspoons. Now we're going to finish getting our water. Okay, we have 5 cups of water. Now to finish making the broth and the water, we got 2 cups right here, hot water boiling, and 1 more cup. So there it is. The recipe is done. Now we're going to let this cook for 4 hours. Then we'll be back because we got another recipe to go with this. It's going to be Frito pie is the recipe. And we start out with our CowBoy beans. Okay, I'm going to read you the directions to make an enchilada sauce homemade. Or you can buy it at the store. 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. 2 tablespoons of chili powder. 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. 1 cup of water. 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, salt to taste. And that's how we made our homemade enchilada sauce. Okay, for your Frito pie, if you want to follow along, we got 1 pound of ground beef, cooked, 1 medium onion, 2 cans of ranch-style beans or homemade. You'll need 1 pound, 1 package of Frito corn chips, 2 cans of enchilada sauce, 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, thinly sliced green onions. Now that's how you follow along with the recipe. And we'll be back in 4 hours. We got our beans on high for 4 hours on our slow cooker. So we'll be back to make the recipe sometime today, maybe tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Push the like button, subscribe button if you ain't already. And this is only going to be for 2 people. You can make 2 pounds if you need to of the ranch style beans for your family if you want to. Thanks for watching. Bye. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Or you can just eat the ranch style beans with some kind of meal. You don't have to make it with what I'm going to make it with, but that's what I've been wanting, so I'm going to make it. Thanks for watching. Bye.